Here at Meal Prep Sunday, we understand the importance of a balanced diet to achieve your fitness goals and prepare for summer. We offer a comprehensive meal planning service that takes into account your unique physical information and fitness goals. Our team of experienced nutritionists and dietitians work with you to calculate your daily consumption of protein, fat, and carbohydrates, ensuring that your meals are delicious and optimized for your body's needs. We believe in the power of portion control and emphasize the importance of balancing macronutrients to achieve maximum results. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain a healthy weight, we can help you achieve your goals through proper meal planning. With our support, you can feel confident and empowered to take on the summer season with a body that is fueled and ready for anything. On Tuesday, we focus on creating our Nashville shrimp skillet. We first focus on creating our Nashville seasoning from scratch, soaking our red rice, prepping our onions, peppers, and cucumbers in our state-of-the-art cutting machine, and then have our culinary team cut our broccoli and zucchini. Our meal service understands the importance of a balanced and comprehensive approach to health and fitness. That's why we offer a 90-day training program that is fully synchronized with your meals. We believe that both nutrition and exercise play crucial roles in helping you reach your health goals. By combining meal plans with a tailored training program, we aim to eliminate any doubts or confusion about what to eat and when to train. Our program is designed to maximize the benefits of both elements and provide you with a seamless and effective experience. With our training program in sync with your meals, you can trust that you're getting the best possible support and guidance on your journey toward optimal health and wellness. On Wednesday, we focus on cooking our red rice and cook our skillet. We are committed to providing clients with a weekly changing menu that is both delicious and sustainable. We use fresh, locally sourced ingredients and cater to different dietary requirements and preferences, like food allergies. The meals are not only tasty, but also visually appealing, and the goal is to provide a service that makes healthy eating easy and enjoyable. On Thursday, we begin our task by mixing our red rice and corn and plating our Nashville shrimp skillet. That starts with our bread and butter pickle, then our red rice and corn, followed by the vegetables, and we end it with our shrimp. After everything is plated, we'll seal the meals using our advanced packing technology, which allows us to decrease the oxygen inside the container down to 1% and slow the oxidation process down drastically. We strongly recommend the meals be consumed within 5 to 7 days of delivery, but because of the technology's ability to reduce the oxygen in the container, the meals can last up to 12 days. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.